Hi, I am Ajit Patwardhan, and this is a sonnet by Kunwar Viyogi. The name of the sonnet is Cacophony. With conscious bells and hymns, chanting shouts, what deafening, doping cacophony make. And he who this objects does mistake is kafir, subject to luckless rout. Their vocal cords are swollen, strong, and stout, for singing all above the sacred hymns, and without understanding to me it seems, and I express my view, they sulk and pout. I say, oh, theist, atheist, oh, monotheist, I grant this group therapy carries clout, and hypnotized believers have the least awareness of actions without doubt. Oh, let me on your words of wisdom feast, and tell me what all this noise is about.